Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at why some people, not everyone, but some people quit match betting after they've finished all of the welcome offers. For those of you that stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to share with you how much profit I would have missed out on if I myself would have quit match betting after the welcome offers. Before we get into it though, I'll quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group and the Profit Boss free offers page. I'll leave links to both of those down in the description if you're interested in checking them out. To start this video off then, we're going to get on the laptop here, and I've just selected the New Account Offers Bookmakers tab here on the OddsMonkey site, because basically I want to just go through with you and share with you the different kind of welcome offers that you'd likely be expecting to do if you are brand new to match betting. So of course there you have offers like the bet £10 and get a £5 free bet. That's just known as a bet and get offer. They're extremely simple. Then you have stuff like this bet £10 to get a £10 free bet. And they're also going to give you 10 free spins for casino games on top of that. Here's another one that's exactly the same kind of thing. Bet £10 to get £30 free bets, but instead of free spins on casino, they're giving you £10 casino bonus there. You can also expect to see this kind of welcome offer, which that one, for example, is bet £10 to get 4 £5 free bets. So it's not just one £20 free bet, it's 4 separate ones of £5 there. I don't know why bookmakers do that, but it's just a different kind of thing you can expect here. Then you have what's called a risk-free bet welcome offer, such as this one here, which is bet £40 to get a £40 bonus if you lose. So that's another fantastic kind of offer there. And yeah, like with this one, bet £10, get £10 cash back if you lose. And you set the bets up so that you don't need that bet to lose in order to get the £10 cash back. You're of course going to profit no matter what the outcome. You also have these welcome offers, which are accumulator type welcome offers. So you would bet £10 on an accumulator to then get a £10 free bet, which also has to be used on an accumulator. And they're the same exact thing as your typical bet and get welcome offer. You just got to make sure that you place in an ACCA type bet there. They're a bit more advanced, as you can see. Most of them there say average difficulty, a couple there that say easy, but they're really, really simple to do. And I think that's the point of this video, is the reason why people quit match betting after they've done the sign-up offers is because these are insanely easy to do, like beyond easy. And then what people tend to think of is, okay, if they're really easy, to make further profits is just going to take way too much effort. And as I'm going to show you now, that's just simply not the case. So now let's take a look at two different advanced match betting strategies, and I'll just show you how you can just really easily do these. They're not as complicated as you might think if you're sort of just doing the welcome offers now and you're thinking about quitting. So if we get onto the odds matcher here, this is the which many of you that are already match betting will know of this strategy, of course, but this is the 2-up strategy. But if you go onto the odds matcher, this is just, so I've set my filter up to give us just the 2-up high odds alerts here. And you can see in this match, so this is a Spanish La Liga match, Getafe versus Granada. And it says Getafe there is a 97.34% match with back odds of 2.2, which over at Bet365 we can see Getafe are 2.2. And then the lay odds at Smarkets should be 2.26. So if we just go ahead and check here, yeah, Getafe and then the blue box there, 2.26 with £320 available there on that lay bet. Now all that's required to do this advanced strategy, which it's really, really simple as I say, is you would just go over to Bet365 here, select Getafe, place a £100 back bet. Then you would go over to the Smarkets tab here and place, so it would be for £100, you would just simply put £97.34 on that lay bet there. Sell and confirm to place the lay bet, and that's it. You've just set up a 2-up bet. You just place a back bet on a team that qualifies you and a lay bet against that team, so that when your team go 2 goals ahead, Bet365 will pay you out as a winner before the match is finished. And then Smarkets, when that match then finishes in a draw or your team lose, so if it ends like 2-3, so they go behind by a goal, you will also get your bet paid out at Smarkets at the end of the match. So both bets are going to win there rather than just equaling each other out and you just taking a small loss. Now, if we jump over to the extra place matcher here on OddsMonkey, which by the way, if you're not yet signed up to OddsMonkey, don't be shy. Check out the description below. There are a couple of discount codes. One will give you 12 days for £1 of OddsMonkey, and the other will get you 50% off your first month. If you just want to go straight in for a 1 month premium membership, you can get it for £10 by using that promo code down below. But having said that, here on this extra place matcher, you can see that with the bookmaker here, Paddy Power, and the horse Hurricane Darwin, that's back odds of 41. And then so with extra place horses strategy here, you have to place 2 lay bets. So this is another advanced strategy called the extra places strategy, or known as EP for short. But it's super, super basic. You know, it's not as advanced as people would make out. So because you have to place a win lay bet and a place lay bet, there's just 2 lay bets to place once you place the back bet at the bookmaker. So again, I'm not saying that this is a good bet to get on, because it looks like you'd be taking a qualifying loss of £6.23, but you'd be making a potential £83.77 if the horse finished in 5th. So you'd really want, you know, the win lay bet would want to be like odds of 50 there, and then let's see the place lay. If we drop that to 10, you'd more like that want it to be 10 there. So that would be a very good bet then. So you'd be looking at £3.12 qualifying loss, but potential £86.88 there. So all you do with that is place your £10 each way on that horse at Paddy Power. Go over to, in this case, the Betfair exchange and place £8.20 on the win lay. And then go over to the place lay part on Betfair and place £9.02 on the place part of the bet. And you've just set up that bet there. Again, really, really simple to do and not that complicated whatsoever. Now, before I let you know how much profit I've made from match betting, which if you're new to the channel, you won't know this already, but the regulars already know this. I'll just quickly plug my Coffee page, which used to be Patreon. Now it's the Coffee page. Coffee is just a much nicer platform that I've found as I've been getting into using it. But basically on the Profit Boss Coffee page, you can join up there, and then every Saturday afternoon I do a 1.5 hour live stream and basically share my screen and help you make profits and get on these horses to do with extra places here. You can just join and be a Discord group member. It's just £3 a month to get involved on Discord. And whenever I find a good extra place race here, I do actually now post them onto the Discord group. So that's an insanely cheap way there to be getting alerts sent straight through to your Discord chat. For those of you still watching now to the end of the video, thank you for joining me all the way to this part. And basically, if I would have stopped match betting after doing all the welcome offers, I would have missed out on around 25 to 26, probably about 25 and a half thousand pounds of profit. And you know, that's just crazy when you think about it. Like, I could have just quit there, made my £1,500 to £2,000 from welcome offers, because I used my own set of accounts, my brother's and my mum's. So that was 3 full sets of accounts when I first started match betting. And yeah, if I would have just stopped there, that would have been so much extra profit that I would have missed out on. And remember, it's all tax free as well. So definitely worth continuing on in your match betting journey and not just giving up after you've gotten through the welcome offers. If you've had any value from this video, please do take the time to press the like button. I do appreciate it. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.